If you are getting a P2610 error code, this video is going to show you 3 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. This means that ECM or PCM related to the engine's off timer, which indicates that the ECM or PCM can't tell how long the engine has been shut off. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: battery, engine coolant temperature sensor, PCM, wiring. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Battery replacement. First, check the battery voltage with a voltmeter. If it's not working, disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and remove the old battery. Install the new one. Reconnect the positive, then negative terminal. Secure it, and check the voltage again. PCM replacement. The PCM is usually located in the engine bay, under the dash or near the firewall, usually mounted with bolts or clips and connected to a wiring harness. Unplug the wiring harness carefully. There may be clips or levers on the connector. Remove any bolts or brackets holding the PCM in place. Take out the old PCM. Install the new PCM in the reverse order. Plug in the wiring harness securely. Secure it with bolts or brackets. ECT sensor replacement. Remove the ECT sensor from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed with a test on the ECT sensor at an ambient temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The sensor resistance is between 2,000 ohms to 3,000 ohms. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the ECT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. This code can appear in various vehicle models across multiple manufacturers, including Ford, Chevy, Mazda, GMC, Subaru, Hyundai, and Lexus. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.